Sure made quick work of that.
Insanely cool cars, tool reviews, and auto repair videos.
And this is a water-based paint, but I have not put any water in that. Water it down, and this is my setting, and that is much better than the middle setting that I had it on to begin with. Way too thick and runny on the medium, and then here it's a little bit too thin, but I wanted it a little bit too thin because I wanted a nice thin first coat. So it's pretty obvious if I wanted a thicker coat, I'd just split the difference between where I've got it set at now and where it was right here when it was really too thick.
Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Binge watch Saneauto.